Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. This is Zach over here, and once again, thank you for joining. So, if you are watching from live or later on through recording, again, a quick disclaimer: this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on our discussion this morning, so make sure you have your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional, right? So, okay, now we do see a little bit of recovery this week itself. Okay, today is Wednesday, right? So Monday, Tuesday, actually we do have see some stock actually gaining a little bit of momentum. Okay, not a very bullish one, but at least I think for so-called short-term opportunity, I think is still there. Percent I also enter a few counters, but I keep it very simple. Anything that hits my resistance R1 or maybe just over 5%, I think I would just take it. Okay, take profits. Okay, so this is something that I'm doing right now. So I will share with you also some of the trades that I'm doing. And of course, if you are doing any trades currently, you think that anything that you want to share out, do let me know. Okay, so that we can study together. So of course, on the trade actually I do share in our telegrams already. All right, so if you yet to join, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Then we have some sort of discussions over there. All right. So okay, now let's start with the overall Bursa Malaysia first. What I say is a short-term recovery because the technically the background for KSC is still a bit weak. Okay, actually. So that's why I say it's a short-term recovery. So again, if you look into over here, looking into the short-term, of course, long-term trend is pretty well. Okay, let's look into weekly chart at this moment. Weekly is still holding around the 40 MA. Okay, so hopefully, it remains above the 40 MA. That would be a good sign. But on daily basis wise, the reason why I say it's a short-term recovery because first of all, if you look into this so-called this time period over here, the stock the Kelsey actually is moving down. Okay, now the few things I don't like about this is that first they're actually cutting below the 20 and 40-day moving average, and looks like this is like an inverse pullback. So here actually very close with the next resistance already. So if I draw this clearly, okay, let me just draw this clearly so you can see it better. Okay, so we got one area over here. Okay, again, sometimes support resistance is an area doesn't mean that sometimes it will like hit here and drop So sometimes it will cross a little bit and drop. Okay, so the other area is somewhere around here. Okay, which I think slightly a bit close already. Okay, getting closer already. So I think it's crucial to see this area over here 1630. Okay, again going back to 1630 story 1630 is some of the very important level for us to monitor as well. So 1630, if let's say it hits here, later they form like a shooting star, I think there will be not a good sign for the overall market condition. But let's say they're able to cross successfully, yes, I think still got a chance, okay, for them to continue to test here and even going back to here again, okay, for the few months to come. All right. So against, like I say, what I'm trying to do right now is that, of course, I do enter few trades, but I keep it very short terms. 5% or maybe hit resistance that I would consider to take some partial profit. Okay. Now let's look into some of the trades that I'm monitoring and some of the counters that actually I do enter. First of all, is MSM. Okay. So MSM actually, like I say, if you are using my so-called the strength candle, okay, I think they're actually holding well above the strength candle. That's the reasons why I'm entering, okay, on MSM. So what it means is that if you notice previously, we got one strength candles over here, two strength candles over here. So of course you can use the latest one. Okay, you can use the latest one. So this is the latest one. Okay, if you draw this line, okay, this line over here exactly at S1. Hopefully you can see that. I just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, the S1 line, the support one line. Okay, so whenever it tested holding well, so which means that this support is still valid and kind of solid for me. Okay, so another reason why yesterday actually I look for the entry. Okay, for MSM. All right. So of course from here entry area to this resistance is still got some profits at least for me. Okay, to look into. Hopefully, okay, it will touch somewhere around here. Okay, this is the R1 level. Of course, I'm not going to wait until R1. I think 1.4 is a good area for me to consider for at least a partial profit for me. Okay, so that is a quick one for MSN. Okay, now the other one is unique. unit also pull back, doing a so-called a COC. So for those that who know about COC, this part actually is COC. Okay, so-called the cluster closures method. So yesterday also pullback complete, that's why we do see a strength signal, okay, over here. And again, if you look into the previous few weeks ago, okay, because yesterday during trading hour, we still cannot confirm yet whether this is a strength signal or not, okay. But if you notice over here, right, here we got one, okay, a nice support area actually is building somewhere around here. So against same thing how I apply for MSM, whenever strength signal is in the chart, and the stock actually retest pullback in the area, but it didn't go lower. Okay, in fact, it's holding well and trying to go up higher. I think this is representing a good so-called a good support area. Okay, for us to watch out, for us to at least I know where is my stop loss is. Okay, if I want to enter these trades. So why actually yesterday I tried to exit at 38 cents, just a 3% kind of profit, a small profit, which I pretty happy. But unfortunately, I cannot exit because of no buy. Okay, so hopefully today it will up a little bit more or a few more bits, then I just exit with 3 or 4%. I'll be happy to do so. Okay, so that's unique. The other one, of course, I'm hoping for today continue to move up. Okay, is definitely Solawest. So Solawest move up a bit. Okay, this one I also take partial profit already. Okay, because it hit resistance again. Not much. Okay, it's only like 3-4%. Okay, again same things here. 3-4% resistance. I'm happy to do so. Take partial profits. Okay, so the rest I think is bonus. Currently up I think like 5-6% already. Hopefully it can continue to test higher. I think next one I'm probably ending around 1 ringgit 70 cents. Okay, so this is some of the trades that I'm taking right now. Hopefully it can continue to reach this week. Okay, to do a small recovery from here. Okay, up and coming one, of course, plantation I haven't entered any counters yet. Okay, but yesterday started to do a pullback. Okay, which is something that I'm looking for into today. Okay, let's try Chopat first. Okay, because I actually look into Chopat. Outside of it, unfortunately, I exited already. I think last week or last 2 weeks ago. Okay, because they hit resistance, they pulled back. So I thought that okay, it's gonna take some time, but it looks like they are coming back. Okay, so Chopats, okay, I actually waiting for 72 cents. Okay, sometimes I be stingy one, or maybe 72.5 cents. I think is good, but currently still holding back. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Okay, yesterday low volume. Okay, reduced the volume is reducing already. If let's say today volume continue to decrease again, I think it's a good sign. Okay, I think it's a good sign for Chopats right now. Okay, the other one I think is J Tiasa. Okay, favorites are among all the plantation counters over here. Now this one slightly also a bit close to 20 MA, but today up a bit. Okay, again I'm hoping to get around the 20 MA areas, 120 cents. I'm not sure whether it will or not. Okay, but probably I'm going to be more patient a little bit. Okay, the other one is I think it's MSC. Okay, do let me know any counters you are looking into so we can study together. So MSC is okay, but overall the so-called the volume overall is a bit liquid. Okay, compared to J Tiasa and Chopat. Okay, let's look into Al Sawit, the stock that I exit last week. Okay, unfortunately with a small losses. Okay, because I thought here will be like a resistance because it's high volume. Okay, because it's high volume, so I thought it's going to wait for a while. Okay, but okay, never mind. I focus on Chopat better. Yes, Kim Lun also. Kim Lun, the other day they are trying resistance, but after that I didn't follow. Okay, because I was focusing Chopat, J Tiasa and the rest. Okay, but so far okay lah. I don't see any issue. Of course, they still cannot break this resistance yet. Looks like they want to cross by double A lah. Okay, double A lah. So for me, as long as okay now, notice over here. Actually, this counter got lots of strength signal. Okay, this part over here got lots of strength signal. Okay, we got 2 over here, 1 over here, another 2 over here. So, well, worst come to worst, I think Ruku, if you are looking for entry, I'm not sure. Okay, worst come to worst, I think they will retest this level 2.4. Worst come to worst. Okay, if break below, yeah, I think you have to decide. You have to exit. But for me, sub everything's still nice. Okay, sub everything's still nice. Of course, if you are looking for EP right now, entry right now, it's at the resistance. Okay, so it's your choice whether you want to enter with not so ideal risk to rewards, or you want to wait. Okay, but sometimes you might miss. Okay, like for example, I'm waiting for my Cepat Jasa, but in the end I miss. Okay, now I have to wait for another round pullback also. Okay, so this is the decision I cannot help. Okay, but what I'm trying to say, setup still nice, but the price currently at the resistance. Okay, now unless you told me that you're looking for long term, let's turn to weekly chart. Okay, wow, this one long term uptrend on this one, going up slow and steady lah. So looking good. Okay, looking good. So once cross this level over here, 2.50, I think yeah, should be okay. You know, to continue to ride in this trend. Okay, any other counters for me to look into? Okay, if not, probably I just go to my trick signal that we end our sections this morning. Oh yeah, forgot to cover glove also lah. Top glove also still holding lah. Okay, but a bit disappointing compared to Hata and Kosa. Okay, today trying again. Okay, I see how it goes. But most of the time they try recently, but in the end they fail one. Okay, so nowadays also not so exciting already. But overall, the setup, everything is still good because the support is there. They do a shakeout very nicely. Okay, Hata is moving, but I don't know why. Toggle seems like cannot really move. Okay, of course, Kosa also break the previous R already. Okay, now continue to move up higher. Okay, hopefully Togaf can follow very soon. Okay, of this both Taiko over here. VRB yesterday do a shakeout, but I don't think I'm going to focus because I think I entered few counters already. Okay, it's time for me to monitor some of the trades. Of course, I still prefer to keep a little bit of cash. Okay, because like I say KLCI is not super bullish yet. Okay, these few days or maybe 1-2 weeks we might see a recovery, but doesn't mean it's a strong bull run. Okay. Now, BAWES, let's try BAWES before we go to our so-called the trade signals for today. Wow. This one I don't know how to advise. This is bear son. Okay, I'm not sure how to advise this one because it's super trending. Okay, risk to reward wise is not there anymore. Okay, this one unless you want to trade on hourly chart only. Okay, unless you told me you buy PSD, you're holding. Okay, so far if let's say you're still holding, if you're looking for exit, definitely there's no so-called sell weakness there. I think still fine. Okay. If you're looking for entry, okay, if you're looking for entry, I thought can go in at 95 and sell at 1 ringgit. Okay. Can okay. Right now, no weakness Okay, what I'm just trying to say is no weakness. Now, if I want to trade this kind of counters, if I want to trade this kind of counters, especially those counters that Jalan really are two bar up bar already, widespread candles already. So normally I use hourly chart because it's a trending stocks. Then in hourly chart, I will see a stock the price holding around 20 MA. So this is the area that I probably want to consider, but sometimes it will cut below a bit one. Okay. Okay, so for example here, I don't know, maybe later on it will touch here around 90 over cents area, maybe 95 cents. Now it's 95 cents, maybe slightly beyond 95 cents. Okay, then yeah, from there probably on the right until 1 ringgit. So this is somehow lower risk for me if you want to do that. Okay, just a small profit for the weekend. Okay. Yeah, I think still possible because no much weakness. Okay, but the price, you have to be careful. Sometimes it drop, but it can drop quite badly. Okay, scary. This kind of counter normally no pullback is a bit scary. So that's why I like to go for something that it retests, then it goes up. Okay, like Unit, Solar West. Okay, this kind of few patterns. All right, kind of same things like daily chart also. Okay, trending stock, you wait for them to touch the 20 MA. Okay, somehow safer a little bit. Okay, your risk is slightly lower. So maybe you monitor hourly chart. If hourly chart touch the 20 MA on hourly basis, I think yes, it's still good to maybe ride for another round. Okay, so far no weakness. Okay, if you check on based on daily chart over here. Okay, let's look into my trade signal. Okay, if not, we'll end our section this morning. All right, I didn't realize actually UWC is very strong. Actually, I forgot to follow. Okay, because last week is not a very good week. Also, then after that, I didn't really bother to follow. I do still follow DNO lah, but DNO macam tak nice sangat lah this week. This one quite surprised. It's still going up. Okay, yesterday also got strength signal. I missed that. Okay, ENO. Okay, ENO I don't like it. Me Technovation. Okay, Me Technovation. Okay, Didn't really do a strong reversal yet. Let's try D next. I think someone mentioned about D next yesterday. D next after I exit already, of course with losses, small losses. I didn't really follow anymore, but looks like still holding well. Okay, this one I will put back into my washes and wash again. So this is a nice gap. This is a nice shakeout zone. Okay, so if let's say today they back to 365, okay, I will consider that as a shakeout complete. Okay, a very nice area for me to again look for opportunity lah. Maybe from support to resistance, but no much lah. No much meat lah, unless you aiming for the breakout. Okay, M Bank is also got some movement. Notion, okay, all these few counters coming back. Similar like CEB lah, also coming back a bit. Okay, Teo Seng, but this one still okay. Teo Seng also got pullback. Okay, Teo Seng also got pullback. So maybe you want to aim lah, from this level here to here, go how many percent? Okay, later I'll try to calculate. Okay, if more than 5-6%, I think worth to so-called monitor again. I'm not sure. Okay, so again here, pull back near to the gaps. Okay, a small gap in between here. Previously also we got a strength signal. Okay, so here will be your solid support area. Okay, for you to watch out for. Okay, data prep. Data prep, no. Okay, MSM, I think we covered already. BJ Crop. BJ Crop also doing reversal. Okay, but not much volume. Okay, probably last one. I do it for Ruku, MM Holding before we close. Okay, MM Holding yesterday strong closing. Okay, this one a bit similar to BLB, a bit similar to AGX. Okay, we have a false breakout, but of course in the same time we do have a shakeout also. Okay, so worst come to worst, this one I think they will try to trade within the range. Okay, so best is that buy near close to support level. Okay, I think it's the around the 90 cents area is good to aim. Okay, if let's say they're able to retest here, maybe it's a good area for you to focus some partial profit as well. Okay, because of the false breakout here, and of course market is not trending. Normally got false breakout after a long period of uptrend. I got false breakout one. Like AGX also, like MTech also, like VLB also. So normally they will do a long period of reaccumulation, or maybe a shakeout will happen in between. Okay, so best you want to focus on support resistance. Do a range trading. I think it's pretty good. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. So if you would like my section, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. We have Telegram channel. So if you want to have more discussion about stock on daily basis, join my Telegram channel. Then probably from there we can discuss further. All right. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.